how to see who shared my post on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you see who shared your post on Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Instagram app with your account. And now after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here, to see who shared your post on Instagram, make sure that you have turned on the professional mode on Instagram. So for that, you'll have to tap on three line just at the top right corner. And now from here, in the search field, you'll have to type for professional. Alright, so after you made the search, you will be able to find the options like switch to professional mode. So I have already done that and I'm getting that options like add new professional account. So from here you can go that option. Alright, so from here you'll have to follow the procedure accordingly to switch your account to professional. And now after you're done from there, you'll have to just back from here. And now from here you'll have to choose the specific post. So I'm choosing this one. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like view inside. Okay, so from the view inside section, after scrolling down, you will be able to see these options like shares. So from this section interaction, you will be able to see who shared your Instagram post on Instagram. Right now I have the 0 shares for my post, so this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.